security as well as that kind of appreciation. So coming to Pali Hill Farms, this is an actual photo from the site. I mean, of course, during monsoons, but yeah, it's one of the most beautiful places that I've been in the last few years in terms of where work takes me. And this is one of such place where the moment you come inside, the moment you drive inside the property, you would feel like it's one place where you would definitely want to spend some time, especially with your family and friends, and have some kind of a build some kind of memories over here. It's that kind of a place. Basically, Pali Hill Farms is just around 2 hours drive from Navi Mumbai, and spread over, as I mentioned, 300 acres of land near Pali Ashtavinayak Temple. Uh, what is the beauty of this project that I see is that it starts from the slope of a hill, then you go on top, and there's a tabletop land all over. So it's more than, it's not just a typical project where you see barren land with a lot of plots around it. This is one such land which has a very beautiful topography as a whole. There are hills around you. There is beautiful view of the right from Tamini all the way till Lonavala, Sarasgarh, and enchanting views of this entire Sahyadri ranges. We have some hidden waterfalls inside where you can walk through and explore with your family. Spend a weekend away. There's so many things to do around Pali that I mean, there's not enough that I can talk about it. But the beauty of Pali Hill Farms is it's a project that is surrounded by nature from all sides, and we have different kinds of developments within it, which we'll be speaking in the upcoming slides. Again, another question a lot of people ask is, why should I invest in farmland? Most of the people today, when we speak of land, think of NA plots or something which is nearer to the city. And because you are into, I mean, most of us are busy with our city lives, we probably never imagine ourselves, buying a farmland. But the beauty of farmland is that today, when we look at especially the COVID situation, most of us realize how important it is to have a, open space, private space where you can move freely without having a mask on your face. That is one thing which is most of us are missing, I feel, especially since the last 1 year. Most of us have realized the importance of having your own private space, and farmlands offer you that. At a very affordable price, you can have half acre or 1 acre of a farm, set up a small home inside it, and then cover yourself with dense plantations. That's practically living inside nature, that that you can afford in a farmland when you buy a farmland. Secondly, it's not just a, I always say farming is not just a profession or a job. It's more of a lifestyle, especially in an era when we are so busy with our daily lives that you need some kind of a break away from your daily routine. Go on a weekend, do plantations on your own farm, look at spend some time below a mango orchard or a chiku orchard of your own. So it's something that offers you much more utilization of space than an NA plot can, I feel, because NA plots are still smaller plots with a very dense development of bungalows all around, one next to the other. There's not enough open space that you can enjoy. So farmlands, I feel, offer you that luxury of having a very spread out development. So before we move further, I would like to show you a small video of the actual site that we've taken via drone shoot. You can just So this is the project that we have the video that you saw was just a brief shoot we did last year during the monsoons, and it's really, I mean, I cannot express in words how beautiful this place becomes. आप कभी बारिश के समय में यहाँ पे आएंगे तो I'm pretty sure you would immediately want to buy a home, build a home there and start living there. It's that kind of a beautiful place it is. So what are the facilities that we are developing at Palil Farms? What can you can expect when you come to the project? So as I mentioned, it's a gated community, and we are right now building a grand entrance gate, a theme development that we are doing there, so that you can the moment you come inside, you can start feeling that uh, inclusive community वाला जो एक feel आता है वो यहाँ यहीं से आपके gate से start हो जाता है. We are doing a clubhouse. We already have one clubhouse in place on site, but that is a very small clubhouse which was built in the few years back. Right now, we are building a even bigger clubhouse in one of the sectors where we'll have all the modern facilities like swimming pool, gym. There would be a cafeteria and all of these things. We are also going to have a resort coming up in this project. So we already, in fact, started the work for the same. This resort the first block of that resort would be functional by this monsoon itself. And the entire resort with a restaurant will be functional by next monsoon, most probably. In terms of development, we are doing a themed landscape development. So we've ordered for more than, if I'm not wrong, 10,000 trees have been ordered for different plantation, different types of trees which have been planted, which we are planting throughout the project, throughout the drive of this project. So it's going to really, I mean, it's a very beautiful place already, but the way we are developing it is just beautifying it even more in a very nature centric way. We don't intend to make too much of a concrete jungle there. That's one of the reasons we are doing farmlands. But yeah, we want to ensure that the greenery is preserved and it becomes much more beautiful in terms of what we are offering to the end user. And we are also coming up with a small cricket ground and multi-purpose games, a multi-purpose court and a games room. This is the master layout of the project. I would just like to show you. This is where the entrance gate is, and then from here on, this is where we have the current clubhouse of the project. This is the first phase where we are currently, we currently have already sold this in the last 7 odd years back. And this is where our current office, our sales office is. When we move up, this is the slopey land. Basically, this is all the hill terrain of a hill. Sector B onwards, it's all a hilltop, tabletop land. Right now, we already handed over and delivered sector E and D, these two sectors. So we have around 15 to 20 bungalows which have been built in these two sectors. I think it would be even more than that right now because more and more people are constructing bungalows, especially in sector D, which we had started selling in 2 years back. So sector E, you will find a lot of old bungalows which were built 7 years, 8 years back. So all the plantations have also grown. People are doing mango farming. They're doing various kinds of fruit and orchard plantations over there. Vegetable farmings are. A lot of people have caretakers to take care of their farmlands. And we have a small NA sector here in sector F, which was a trial 2.5 acre ka NA sector. We got a very good response to that. That's because there are no gated development of NA sectors in and around this location, because of which we have now come up with a 26 acres ka NA sector in sector C. This is where we'll be having the clubhouse that I was just mentioning. So it will be featuring the entire almost 2 acres of land which has common amenities like sports facilities, clubhouse, swimming pool, all of these features. We're having a restaurant also in the resort here. So once you walk in from the gate, all of the facilities, all of the infrastructure that you look at, we already have that. We have a water tank over here where we are drawing water from the nearby nearby Aptadi Dam, and we are lifting it to this water tank so that it can provide water to the entire project. So every sector already which have been handed over, the road, water provision, all of these things have already been done. We are now launching sector G, which is our latest latest sector that we're coming up with. The beauty of this sector is we have two rivers flowing through this side. So it is surrounded by two small river streams which basically flow and then go down from here. The waterfall that you saw on the video is this over somewhere here, and the river stream that you saw is along the stream that you have seen, and the current plots that we have are all around the river stream. So I'll go in detail in this thing. But I just wanted to show you what kind of master plan we have, what are the, how a gated community of 300 acres looks like. We still have a lot of development left to do. We have sector H, I, J, and B, which will be coming up in, next few phases. So we are here for the long run. Abhi hum log sirf, we are just 15 acres of sector that we have launched. Most of it, even before this lockdown, we've already sold some of the plots. We've got very good response. So, and right now we are just looking at this Gudi Padwa offer that we're coming up with. Just a second. Here this. So why should you buy a farmland? What all you can do in this? I just wanted to give a picture of what all you can do when you buy a farmland at Pali Hill Farms. Of course, one of the most, foremost reason why most people buy a farmland with us is to have build a dream bungalow of their own. So this is just a concept photo that I've taken, but this is just to give you an idea what kind of bungalow you can build over here. And the beauty is that, including the land and the bungalow, it will still cost you much lesser than a 1 BHK cost in the city. So, you can have a beautiful bungalow of your own with a private pool, with a, beautiful tea orchard all around you, and it will still cost you less than a 1 BHK in the city. You can have beautiful night views. So one of the reasons I really love Pali Hills is because whenever I've been there at night, this night sky is very beautiful. It's something which is mesmerizing to the eye, because you will never get to see these kind of beautiful stars, uh, especially in the city areas. Uh, yeah, social hideout. So uh, again, another reason why most people buy lands like this is to have, go away, have a private place where you can celebrate with your families, especially looking at COVID like situation right now where we might be facing another lockdown. It's very imperative to have a bungalow, एक ऐसा घर जहाँ पे आप लॉकडाउन लगने से पहले आप जाके रहिए, and you don't have to worry about staying in a 600 square feet या 700 square feet का home in a city versus living in a half acre का own farm is definitely, I mean, especially with the lockdown scenario, I'm pretty sure anyone would want to be in a farm with a ample amount of space, to spend quality time. In terms of spiritual tranquility, we have a dedicated yoga zone over here, meditation area, and of course, anyone who's into meditation, they know how beautiful it is to be close to nature. As I already mentioned, we have rivers and waterfalls throughout the project. So you can take a walk anytime you wish to, take a walk across the river streams. You walk to the waterfalls and enjoy the. It's so serene and beautiful, as you already saw in the video. Plant your own trees. That's one of the reasons why most people buy farmlands. Of course, to have a good small garden, maybe a small farm setup as a whole, and spend time with your family. Give them that open space. So right now we are launching Sector G, which is, as I already mentioned, which is covered by water streams from two sides. One of the advantages of this sector is that it has a forest on the western side and then two streams. So it is pretty much a island kind of a feeling that it gives as a whole. Plus, it has, this is the first time we are doing a theme development within the sector as well. So far, we've already always done it on the common areas, but this is first time we'll be doing inside the sector also. We'll be doing plantations on the across the main roads throughout the sector. We are in talks to do a Miyawaki plantation, so that it, in continuation with the forest theme that is already there. And we have some, in terms of configuration, we have some 10,000 square feet quarter acre plots, which are a combination plots. So when we are selling these, we are selling it as a combination of two plots to and make it a half acre. And we have some half acre riverside development plots as well. This is a perspective look of the sector, current sector, Sector G. As you can see, most of the plots that are around the river are all our half acre plots, and the inside ones are the 10,000 square feet plots. We just tried to show you what all things we are providing, how the place looks like once you do some kind of development over here. And some of the plots like this one is a 1 acre plot. This is a 30,000. So some other bigger plots, depending on which, how you want to go ahead with, we can select the plot of your choice. what all things are around Pali Hill Farms. When you buy a home, you want to know ki what are the things I can do when I come to stay here. So in terms of nature, nearby Pali Hills, I can tell you there's a very beautiful, hardly at 30 to 40 kilometers of distance, we have the Andaman Forest. There's the Kundalika Valley, Kundalika River Valley, and the Devkund Falls. So if you don't know about these places, I would definitely suggest you have a look at, just search for YouTube videos of these places. I can assure you, it's something you would definitely want to explore. As for adventure, those people who are into adventure sports, there's Kola rafting hardly 20 kilometers from our side. We can arrange a pickup and drop for the rafting as well. So, if someone wants to, if you want to buy a home, put it out on Airbnb and all, you can always promote that as a place from where, people can go for rafting and all. There's Bhira Dam camping also, which happens at a distance of 30 kilometers from the site. Again, a very beautiful place, Bhira Dam, where there are a lot of camps organized, bonfire camps and all. We ourselves have a bonfire camping setup, that we are coming up within the property premise itself. Heritage properties nearby. There's Sudhagarh Fort. There's some hot water springs in Pali. There's the Tela Bela hike trek, which is one of a dike structure, rock structure formation, which is very beautiful and which can be seen from the site. In fact, and of course, there's the Ballareshwar Ashwanayak temple, which is in Pali. So, a recap of why you should invest in Pali Hill Farms. Basically, it's one of the only projects which has a single family, which is a very reputed family from Pune, who own the entire land parcel of 300 acres. So you won't be dealing with local farmers, or there's no marketing agency who is, dealing you in on behalf of farmers or a collective of Farmers, you'll be dealing directly with the landowner, who is a single family who owns this entire property, which is a clear title property. So you don't have to worry about any kind of paperwork. All the documentation bit will be very clear and transparent. The property will be on your name. So individual सात-बारह आपका उसमें form हो जाता है, and it is a gated and secured society. So one of the very key factors when you're buying a farmland away from your everyday home is how secure that environment and how secure that place is. One of the best parts that Pali Hill offers is a completely gated, secured environment, which means even if you're not coming to your property for a very over a period of long stretch, your property remains secured. You don't have to worry about any kind of encumbrances or anything. In terms of facilities that we are providing, so as I already covered, we're coming up with clubhouse, gym, restaurant, dining facilities, sports areas, all of the modern society amenities that you can think of. We are coming up here. We have already provided in terms of infrastructure, a motorable road all the way till G sector is ready. We have water lines and water tap points to each of the plot before we hand them over. We have an upcoming resort with a restaurant, which is, again, as I mentioned, it is already under construction, and there are all of these facilities like the camping site. There's a convenience store. There will be a pharmacy that will be coming up with. So all of these facilities will, of course, be coming up as well. So having said all of these things, let me come to the price aspect. So, of course, everyone eventually wants to know what is the price that we are quoting, and so we have been quoting 29.9 lakh rupees per square feet. That is 150 rupees per square feet as our launching price when we'll be selling it in the month of June when we plan to launch. This is what we'll be launching it as. And of course, this is just the land price. The infra charges, there will be additional infra charges, stamp duty, and all excluded. So the total package goes to 35.6 lakhs all inclusive. But this is the launch price. This will be launching when we launch in the month of June. That is when this will be coming up with this price. Right now, for pre-launch, we have come up with a price of 27 lakh 75,000, which is almost 140 rupees per square feet for an individual plot. So the total package comes to about 32 lakhs, including all your infra, registration, and everything. And I think that is the offer that we can give right now, because if you look at the overall society, overall development that we are doing, overall development that has already been done, a community of people who are already staying, it's actually one of the best price that I can offer you. But again, before I go ahead, I know most of you were told that in this webinar we'll be coming up with an exclusive Gudi Padwa offer price for online webinar attendees and for online bookings. So the exclusive offer price that we can come up with today is especially, and this is still Gudi Padwa only. that is till Tuesday only, is 25 lakh 75,000 for a half acre plot. So I think that is a very good price if you look at the development that we have. If you look at the society, the surroundings that we have, because I know some of you might be thinking, that there are some other plots that are much lesser. There are people who are selling at 18 lakhs, 20 lakhs, or whatever. But I can assure you one thing, that when you're buying a land in a gated security, gated society with all the amenities and infrastructure, you obviously there's going to be some premium. But this price that we are quoting is one of the best offers that you can find in this vicinity in terms of a gated development, which is offering you everything from a resort to a NA sector, which will house clubhouse, which will have restaurant, which basically it's an inclusive society. And apart from the infrastructure development, there's the nature aspect to it, that we have beautiful walks and trails of rivers and waterfalls. So in Pali, if you look at today, there would be some, there definitely are some other projects whom we are competing with, but I can assure you, for the development that we are doing, the price is something that is totally, it's a no-brainer price, because at 127 rupees per square feet, this is the best offer that we can offer you today. And again, this is only till Gudi Padwa, so I would like to extend, now come up to question and answers. I would like to understand what your thoughts are. What are your queries that I can address now? Mr. Praveen is asking what is the FSI. So, sir, by default, the FSI of farmlands across Maharashtra is 4%. So, when you buy a half acre land, you can build a home of approximately 800 square feet. We have a concept bungalow plan that fits the 800 square feet. You can comfortably build a 2 BHK. And of course, that 800 square feet that we speak of is just the carpet, just the built up area. And when you're buying a farmland, you can utilize the space much better to have semi-covered areas. You can have open angans and courtyard which are free of the FSI. So your actual home can be much bigger than 800 square feet. We already have some people who have built bungalows, so when we can help you with that in terms of how to develop a home in half an acre land. I can see some people are posting questions on chat. I have a request that if you can just post the questions in Q&A, it will be much easier for me to address them. Mr. Raj is asking how are the payment terms? How much time will I get to pay? So, sir, today, right now, we are taking online bookings till Padwa. You can book on till Padwa from today till Tuesday. First come first serve basis, we are taking bookings, and you can block a particular plot. As for the payment time, so right now we are depending, I mean, the price offer that we are giving for half acre plots, this is considering that your payments are coming within 15 to 20 days. So there's a little bit flexibility on that, but we can discuss on that. But yeah, your 100% payment is considered that we get the payment within next 15 to 20 days. Are there any premium plots on top of hill or something? So, sir, by default, the G sector has a terrain which is slightly on top of the rest of the entire sector. So, all the plots that you take on G sector will be premium plots, in the sense that you get a good view throughout the east, right from southwest to the northeast. You get a very beautiful view. And I mean, again, premium in the sense of top of hill. So there are some plots which you can choose. I would help you in identifying which are the ones which are premium in that sense. Is there any loan facility? So right now, farmlands don't have any loan facility, because farming, when you buy a farmland, there is no loan available to that. But we can help you with a flexi payment offer that we can discuss on a one-to-one basis. Can someone design the bungalow for me? Pinky ma'am, definitely we have a concept plan already ready. I would definitely like to share that with you. Once this webinar is done, I can show you the concept plan, or if possible, just let me see if I can do that right away. I'm sorry, I'm not able to do the share right now, but definitely I can share that with you. We can help you with designing the bungalow and construction as well. Mr. Praveen is asking who can help us construct this. So definitely we can help you with construction also, because we have a team of contractors who are already building our resort and clubhouse and all of these facilities. So definitely we can help you with construction as well. Mr. Aniket is asking how far is this from Pali temple? Aniket sir, this is hardly 3.5 kilometers from the Pali temple. In fact, after the temple, once you cross the Pali temple, hardly at half a kilometer away, we take a left turn, a right turn towards Aptavne village. And from there, our project is hardly 2.5 kilometers. Pinky ma'am, definitely I'll get contact you after this session. I would definitely like to take this discussion further ahead. Mr. Siddharth is asking how far is from Imagica. So from Imagica, this is exactly 30 kilometers. Right now, the work till Imagica, the road work till Imagica is ongoing. And whenever I drive from Imagica to the site, it takes me less than 45 minutes. That too with the work, the road being under construction. So in a once the four laning concrete road, the concreting of the 4-lane road is done, I'm pretty sure this is half an hour's drive from Imagica. Mr. Aniket is asking, would there be an individual Satbara? So definitely, sir. Mr. Aniket, in Pali or in Raigad district, for every half acre land, there is a separate Satbara ownership. So we will be transferring that ownership to your name. Mr. Amit is asking what would be the total cost. So, sir, if you are finalizing before Godi Padwa, if you are making the booking before Padwa, which is a refundable booking, again, let me be very clear, because we can also understand we are taking bookings online. So it's a refundable token. But yeah, with a refundable token, if you book before Padwa, the total package is 30 lakhs all inclusive. 25.75 for the plot, and then the infra charges and stamp duty, everything included. Your final package is 30 lakhs all inclusive. How much would a basic how much cost for us 800 square feet built up? Can this be RCC or local material? So Ravi sir, 800 square feet built up bungalow alone would not cost you much. Here, looking at the whatever development we've already done, a simple first of all RCC, I don't see the need of it, because most of the construction here happens for a sloping roof material, and the brickwork is also locally available Jamba stone, which actually looks much beautiful in this surrounding. And the cost of that is will not be more than 15 to 16 lakh rupees on a higher side. If we go with a very superior kind of fitting fixtures and all of these things, still it should not cost you 15 to 16 lakhs for the bungalow alone. Now if you do some kind of landscape development and all, that would of course be additional, depending on what kind of landscape development you're doing. Mr. Samir is asking how far is it from the MIDC corridor. So, sir, the nearest MIDC corridor that I know of is at the foothills of Tamini, near Mangaon, which is at least 30-35 kilometers away from here. Induj is asking for the presentation. Sure, we'll share this presentation with you as soon as the webinar is done with. Do you help with building the houses and bungalows? Definitely we do. So we already have a concept bungalow plan. We have some architects on board who can help you with a customized bungalow plan as well if you want something like that. And definitely we can help you in building. In fact, in G sector itself, one of our customers have already purchased in the past few weeks. They've already started the construction for a bungalow. So it's not like as I already mentioned during the webinar. It's not something where we are just launching and there's no bungalow in the vicinity. There are people who have already started construction. So it's a community which is very active in terms of the people who buy land with us. In which zone it's in? How far from F zone? I'm sorry, Samir sir, I didn't understand what your question is. If you could just repeat that, it would be much easier for me to explain your question. Total cost, Mr. Rajesh is asking if the total cost is including with bungalow. So no, sir, this is just the land cost. A bungalow would definitely, depending on what kind of bungalow you're building, it would be it can, as I already said, it can be anywhere between 15 to 30 lakhs on top of this. Do you have any packages for upkeep of plot? So we will be charging a small maintenance for the first 2 years. That is for the sector maintenance. In terms of upkeep of the plot, we can help you find it. We can help you find a caretaker for your property at a very nominal cost. Mr. Kalpesh is asking if I'm not a farmer, can I buy this land? So Kalpesh sir, in Maharashtra, by default, a farmland is sellable to the, you need to have a farmer certificate to buy a farmland. Uh, in case you don't already have that, we can help you in getting connected to the people who can get you a legal farmer certificate. What will be the total cost with bungalow? So Samir sir, as I mentioned in our concept, the concept bungalow that we have, if you go with the concept plan along with the landscape development and everything, the total cost for a half acre plot with a 2 BHK bungalow would be somewhere in the range of 70 to 75 lakh rupees, all inclusive. Are the interiors road going to be kacha pavement or sturdy tar roads? Ravi sir, the interior roads are right now also what we have is a proper tar road till all the way till G sector. Currently, we are doing a WBM road for G sector, and then the finished code would be a tar road, of course. Post sales will be a society of owners. So Praveen sir, society, of course, it will be a society of owners. It will be an association of the owners. That's why we are also charging a maintenance because it becomes easier to manage a society once we hand it over to you guys after a certain period of time. Parag sir is asking, do we get a separate Satbara in our name for 10,000 square feet plot? And what is the zone? Is it agri or forest? So first of all, sir, for 10,000 square feet, there is no separate Satbara. It's a joint Satbara. That's why when we are selling 10,000 square feet lands, we are suggesting, that you buy it in as a group of two people, two brothers or friends, or, so that you don't have to face any difficulties in future. And as for the zone of the land, it is an agricultural zone. We don't sell the forest zone lands. We only sell agricultural zone lands. How much time will it take for the built up to come out? Ravi sir, again, it will depend on what kind of structure we are speaking of. A basic bungalow of ground level with a 4.5 meter height would take anywhere between 2 to 3 months for us to be ready with, to completely build the structure for it. Interiors may take time depending on what kind of interiors we are doing. Samir sir is asking how far is it from Amba River. So sir, the river stream that I mentioned, it goes and joins Amba River at the foothills of our project. So when you come to the project, you'll be crossing two bridges, which are basically over the Amba River. We are very close. I mean, if you have to ask me in that way, so it's hardly a kilometer away from our site. Can we have a site visit during weekdays as weekends we can't travel? Siddharth sir, definitely you can. Subject to, I mean, yesterday only I was seeing news. So if they don't, start a lockdown for the next 8 days, we will be available on site on weekdays. It's just that we are available on site on weekdays with a pre-booking appointment. So if you're coming on any weekday, just give me a call and definitely I can attend you on the site. Either I or Nilesh or Pallav from my team, one of our salesperson would definitely be available. Subject to, you just have to, pre-inform us. Will you be offering leasing support if we construct a bungalow? So very good question, Samajit sir. Of course, I understand most of the people who buy here and want to build a home, they may not be able to use it on a regular basis. So we will definitely help you in connecting with freelancers who can lease out your property, who can take care of your property and, host it on Airbnb and other different similar platforms. So that is a very good option for you to earn an income out of your property. Of course, it comes at a very nominal charges, but as a property, they will make sure that all the hassles are taken care of. What about Wi-Fi? How stable is electricity and water availability? So Wi-Fi, we already have Wi-Fi in our office at the site. We have a 450 Mbps broadband line, which can be stretched out to the sector, to the respective sector. So Wi-Fi is already available. In terms of electricity, I've never seen this kind of load shedding happening over there. Usually there are some power outages which are due to some fluctuations or anything, but immediately we get that rectified. We have two transformers on the site, so rarely have we seen some kind of major electricity troubles there. As for water, as I already mentioned, we have a direct line from Aptadi Dam for a 25 liter per second ka water line, and which we store and lift it to a overhead water tank, from where we are giving water to all the plots. Apart from that, the water table is very good. So people who already purchased, we have some people who have a well within the property. Some people have recently done bore wells to their lands. Because we are close to the river stream, there's good water table. Groundwater table is very nice, and that's why you get water easily available. Amit sir is asking what is the token amount. So token amount is 25,000 rupees, which is a refundable amount. As an investor, what can be the value growth which can be expected? Padmanabhan sir, thank you for asking this question first of all, because a lot of people miss out on this aspect of when you buy a property. So many developments here and so many people here ask me that why we are pricing on a higher side when there are people who are selling at 20 lakhs. That's because whenever we have sold a property, whenever we have sold within the gated premise, we have already always appreciated. People who purchased with us in the previous sectors, they are seeing appreciation. We don't sell properties, we don't come up with new sectors while keeping the same price every time. We've already seen appreciation from 100 rupees to 150 rupees in the last few years. When I say when we were selling sector D in 2018, we sold some of when the pre-launch price was 100 rupees, and the last few plots that we sold were around 125 rupees. Today we are now pre-launching at 127.5, and the launch price that we have in monsoon will be around 150 rupees. So that is one of the reasons. And why this is appreciating, that also I'll explain. We are not just selling farmlands. That's one of the beauty that Pali Hill Farm offers. We have various sectors and different kinds of development within the society itself. So when you think of Powai, when you think of Thane, you think of Hiranandani, and you think of these kind of developments, and they were the ones who changed the entire location. They changed the entire landscape of that particular location. So that is how we are comparing ourselves to be, where we want to change what people think of. When someone thinks of Pali, the first thought that comes should be Pali Hill Farms. That's why we have farmlands. We have an NA sector coming up with 400 NA plots. We will be having a resort within the property, a restaurant. If you look at Pali as a location, from our side, we have identified there's no single standard resort which offers all the, there's an infinity pool in the resort. There's a mini banquet where you can have a small function of your own with your family members. So this kind of facilities, there's nothing such around Pali and in this location, which is actually, if you look at it, it's a very convenient location for Mumbai people. It takes hardly less than 2 to 2.5 hours to reach this place. We are in a location from where the new airport will be hardly 70 kilometers. So it's a place where you will see a lot of development in terms of connectivity and the inclusiveness of that society. That's why the appreciation scope is definitely there in the future. Uh, Padmanabhan sir is asking when can we see the site. So sir, as I just mentioned, in weekdays we are open. Weekend lockdown की वजह से बंद है. And if there's a lockdown on this week, so your refundable amount will be your booking amount will be refundable all the time until the lockdown opens. So you can be assured that your amount is refundable until the lockdown opens, until you see the actual site. After that only you can go ahead and confirm your booking. How has been the appreciation since the launch, which was 6 to 7 years back? So again, as I just mentioned, we started from, in fact, E sector was much lesser. E sector, I think, was around 75, 80 rupees when we sold 2014. Today, it is, if you plan to buy, irrespective of whichever sector it is, E, D, G, whichever sector, resale apartments also, so, resale plots also, because a lot of our own customers, investors, they approach us, if someone wants something in a ready sector, so you can suggest our plots. So those are all at the same price. We believe in keeping a same price because when we are appreciating as a developer, we want the investors also to get the benefit of the same. So appreciation has been throughout the project over the last 6 to 7 years. We've seen more than 100% appreciation. That's what I can say. Siddharth sir, yeah, sure. We'll share the recording with you. We'll be uploading that on YouTube, our YouTube channel, so you can access it from there. Please share the Google Map location on WhatsApp and presentation and bungalow designs for 800 square feet. Amit sir, I'll definitely do that. As soon as this call is done, you'll get a call from my team, either directly me or someone from my team will get in contact with you. Samir sir, the main problem in the area is so many companies are selling plots near forest area. Sir, we are not selling inside forest area. What we are selling is a proper, there's a reserve forest, but that is not like a forest where you'll see some wildlife. It's adjacent to a small village called Uptown Day, and the beauty is that it's a forest reserve, so there's not going to be any future development on that side. It's a mountains. There's a very tall mountain there in the vicinity, because of which you don't have to worry about any kind of wildlife coming into your plots. Jhansi ji is asking, we have a farmland in Gujarat. Will that certificate work in Maharashtra? Of course, ma'am. So Uh, when you have a farmer certificate anywhere in India, it is accepted in Maharashtra as well. It's just you just have to be a farmer somewhere in India. That's all it matters. Can we do farming business in half acre? Mr. Rajesh ji, you can definitely do. If you want, I can help you in connecting with some of the people. I've been actively involved in a lot of horticulture and organic farmings, hydroponic farming. So these kind of people who can consult you in this kind of farming. And there is a huge demand, especially looking at the current scenario. India, I feel from what reports I've read recently, we are in shortage of these kind of technologically savvy farming businesses. You can set up a small farm here, maybe a fruit plantations or vegetable plantations or some kind of exotic farming plantations, and you can totally do a business. It's entirely your land, so you are free to do what you want. If we can't visit the site, can we do a video call? Definitely, sir. Definitely, we can do a video call. You just let me know when you are available. I would be more than happy to do a video call with you. Today, again, because of lockdown, I myself am not on the site. If tomorrow there's no lockdown, someone from my team will be there on the site. So you can do a video call before you want to make any decision. What was the price of this lot when you started few years back? Indu ma'am, G sector was not started few years back. G sector we have launched in February, and we've been selling it at around 127.5 rupees as the pre-launch price, or as until we. What I can say is this price that we are quoting right now is a offer price that we are giving. That is still Gudi Padwa only. Any particular known player who's going to be running a resort. So the developer themselves are going to run the resort. So we are not right now, at least we are not planning to give it out to some third person because looking at the overall situation and the opportunity that there is, as I already mentioned, there's not much. There's no resort in the vicinity. So the owner of the land themselves, they want to maintain it and run the resort. Aniket sir is asking when are we planning to launch the NA sector? So, sir, honestly speaking, that is not in my control right now because we are still we have the almost all the stages completed for the NA approval, but we still are waiting for the final order. And because of the government, all this first of all there were changes in the UDCR, so there was changes in the norms, and because of which there was delay. Now the government services themselves are on a 30%. The offices are running on 30% staff. So it's not in my hand how long it may go, but until we get the NA order, we never plan to launch it. But we are sure that we'll get that because all the stages for the approval have already been crossed. We're just waiting for the final order now. Can we see the site? Malika ma'am, yes, definitely you can see the site in the during the weekdays. Again, subject to if there's no lockdown, which we should get a confirmation by today or tomorrow. If there's no lockdown during the weekdays, we would be more than happy to attend you on the site. Udbhav sir is asking if we can help in plantations. So, of course, sir, with each plot, we are offering you some kind of plantation. We are still working out whether it will be a Miyawaki forest or a mix of forest and fruit plantations. But we are definitely going to help you with the plantations as well. Those are all the questions. If there's anything anyone has not asked, uh, there's some questions in the chat box. So let me just see if I've addressed all of those already. Malika ma'am is asking if fiber optics connection is available for internet. So yes, ma'am, we already have a Wi-Fi and internet connection till our office, and we can definitely extend that till the G sector in future once we are completed. Durkesh sir is asking, is the 2-year maintenance cost included? No, sir, it's not included in the package cost. The maintenance cost would be approximately 10 paisa per square feet of per month for the plot. So for a half acre plot, it would be approximately 2,000 rupees per month. We are charging for 2 years, so that will be 48,000 rupees, which will be maintained in a separate account. So the money that we are charging is not, that is not to be kept with us. It will be maintained in a separate account altogether for you to maintain the sector only. Any other questions anyone has? We've already addressed, I think, more than 50 questions. So it was really nice that all of you have put forth your queries and spent time in not just listening me and hearing this presentation, but actively being part of this session in question and answers. I really love when people ask questions because it helps in understanding. So one person's question helps in other 10 people understanding or something, some question that they probably missed out on. Malika ma'am is asking whether the sports center will have some kind of membership. So no ma'am, it's going to be a common amenity area that can be used by everyone throughout the society. It's something like when you buy a apartment, and whatever amenities that you have in the society which are used, which are open for everyone. It will be similar to that. The infra charges that we are charging today is inclusive of the if, it considers the cost of developing and as a membership also for that. Is there any other question that we have missed out on? One question that I think no one asked was how we can go ahead with the booking. Uh, so for that, I would tell you uh, booking can be done online. I'll share the link with you. You'll be directly making payment to Mr. Malpani as a refundable token, and immediately we'll be sharing a receipt with you on the email as well as an acknowledgement. All the amenities and all, have you got the necessary regulatory approvals? Ravi sir, yes. So that's what I was saying. The NA order is just waited. Apart from that, our plan and everything has been sanctioned from. If I have to explain in stages, so we've received a plan sanction from the town planner and from the district level authority. We are just waiting for the final NA order, and once we have that, we'll be starting with the work for the amenities as well. The amenities, as in the clubhouse, resort is sanctioned. The work is already undergoing. The entrance gate work is already in process. Apart from that, the camping site with a bonfire area, all of these things that are already approved. Only the clubhouse and sport facilities, which is a part of the NA sector, for that the NA order is waiting. As soon as we get that, we'll start the construction for that as well. Can we, Amit sir is asking, can we have a caretaker model between multiple plots? What is the expected cost of caretaker farmer to maintain the plot? So Amit sir, definitely you can have, we will be more than happy to connect you with, we already have caretakers for our project, for our society as a whole. So we can connect you with local people who can, local farmers who can maintain and take care of your farming as well. The expected cost, to be very honest, is very difficult to tell because it depends on what kind of size of plot you have, what kind of farming activities you expect for the caretaker to do. So it can range anywhere between 10,000 to more than that, up to the kind of involvement you expect from the caretaker. Any other questions anyone has? Please feel free to ask. I'll just share my I mean, you can just check my number here in the slides. So if anyone has any questions, you can just reach out to me directly. You can save my number. This is my direct number. My name is Karan. So you can save this number and reach out to me anytime. Again, I would like most of you to take advantage of this Gudi Padwa offer, because I can assure you that the price that we are giving today, with all the facilities and amenities, no one in this project, in this vicinity, or anywhere in this distance, that I know of, can offer you all of these facilities, all of the security that comes with it, and at this price especially. So please do take care. Please do take advantage of this. Again, it's a refundable booking amount, so you don't have to you don't have to worry about कि मैंने देखा नहीं है development फिर भी मैं कैसे book कर दूँ. You're not booking. You're just locking the rate and the unit. Your booking will only be confirmed once you visit. It can be tomorrow. It can be if there's a lockdown from tomorrow. So whenever the lockdown ends, you can come after that. You see the plot, and only after that you will be your booking will be confirmed. Until then, your amount will be 100% refundable. You don't have to worry about that. You'll get a confirmation for the same on email as well. So I think with that, I would like to end this webinar. Thank you once again, everyone, for joining in. I will make sure this presentation is shared with you as soon as the webinar is done with. So please do check your email IDs, and I look forward to connect with you so that we can have some action further ahead on this. One thing I would like to add on a closing note is that most people end up analyzing things rather than taking actions, and this is one such opportunity where you should analyze, of course, but at the same time you have a lot of time to think about your investment after the token as well. But right now the time is to take action to lock your price, lock a unit of your preference, and then you can keep thinking whether you want to confirm or not. You have time to come to the site, and then you confirm whether you want to go ahead or not. Today is the right time to take an action. We have 2 days more till Padwa. If there, I really wish there's no lockdown, because it's really affecting not just me as a business, but every one of us. With necessary precautions, we would definitely like to see you on site, and before Padwa, that is tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and then definitely we can take this further personal in person. So thanks a lot everyone for joining, and look forward to connect with you on a call again.